Trapped inside a feeling I can't explain. Every time I see you, I feel the change. Not the kind that hurt me, not the kind that mind. The sweetest kind of trouble I could ever find. You got me captured, captured by your eyes. No escaping, baby, I don't wanna try. Willingly surrender, willingly I fall. You're the only sentence that I take at all. No bars can hold me tighter than your touch. No freedom feels as good, I want you that much. Guilty as charged, I'm guilty of this love. There's nowhere else on earth that I'd rather be. I'm a prisoner of your love, girl, and I don't wanna run. Locked up in your arms is where I wanna be, my only one. Take away my freedom, baby, I don't mind at all. 'Cause falling into you is the sweetest kind of fall. I'm a prisoner of your love, and I surrender everything. Baby, hold me captive, let your heart be my everything. They say true love is freedom, but I disagree. 'Cause the only freedom that I want is loving thee. You're the warden of my heart, the keeper of my soul. Every day beside you makes me feel whole. No parole from this feeling, and I don't want none. This life sentence with you, baby, feels like fun. Wrap me in your arms tonight beneath the island stars. Show me that a prisoner's heart can still go far. No bars can hold me tighter than your touch. No freedom feels as good, I want you that much. Guilty as charged, I'm guilty of this love. There's nowhere else on earth that I'd rather be. I'm a prisoner of your love, girl, and I don't wanna run. Locked up in your arms is where I wanna be, my only one. Take away my freedom, baby, I don't mind at all. 'Cause falling into you is the sweetest kind of fall. I'm a prisoner of your love, and I surrender everything. Baby, hold me captive, let your heart be my everything. No need to set me free, this is where I'm meant to be. Every chain that ties me down to you feels like the realest love I ever knew. Prisoner